You see my face? Can you imagine I give this face a full facial and look at it? It break out. Ungrateful. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to another video, another budget cooking, budget living, you know. Alright, so in this series it's going to be a dessert, you know, a little pick me up if you feel for like a sweet something, you know, or if you're feeling for cake but you don't have cake money. Cake expensive, you know? God no, why it so expensive? That's why I'm so happy that I can make my own at all time, but not everything I know to make, but what I want I know to make it. Anyways, don't make this distract, you know? Please. This string of distract me, don't make it distract, alright? As you know, on my channel, we don't do hair, we don't do nails, we don't do clothes, we don't do hot girl things, yeah? We are at home type of person, so you're gonna always get me looking like this, because this is what I look like when I'm at home. The only time I'm gonna really dress up is when I'm going out on the road, which I rarely do anymore, but you guys get it. And I don't know what my channel is like. So yeah, I'm taking too long to start the intro, but yeah. Alright, so for today we're gonna do a little 2-ingredient type of cake thing. I know it's budget living, but the milk expensive. Like, milk is like almost $500 for a little small box. I think it's 1 liter box. You can use whatever you want, what type of milk you want. If you're lactose intolerant, you can use the soy milk, almond milk. Well, I don't know. I haven't tried it with those yet, but I saw this. Yeah, I saw this on YouTube and I said, okay, all they need is a Jamaican to try it for it to be valid. So I volunteer my services to you guys to let you guys know that it is valid and it can be done. Well, I haven't done it yet, so today is actually the first time I'm going to do it. So you guys want to see if I mess it up or if it's going to come out good. So we're going to experience this together. Yeah. So this is something that millions of persons have done before, but I've not seen a Jamaican do it. Maybe they have and I'm just not exposed to their page, but yeah. This is a very long intro. Stay with me, guys. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna do a 2-ingredient cake thing. I'm gonna use a Jamaican cookies. I've seen it with Oreos and chips of oil. As I pronounce, I don't know. I know my way almost deal with words. Oreo is like my favorite cookie ever. If you want to get me a birthday gift, anything, Oreo. If I'm upset at you, buy me a pack of Oreo. I love you forever. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna use milk and cookies to make a cake in the microwave. Like, let's hope we don't get cancer now. So yeah, let me show you guys the ingredients I'm going to use. Alright, so they're not all Jamaican brands, but they're cookies that are found in Jamaica. I might not use everything because I don't want too much sweet things to eat right now. My face a breakout, I'm getting fat, I'm going through a midlife crisis, but y'all don't want to hear about that, do you? No, you don't. Alright. Okay, so it's a little dark. But yeah, I'm going to make an Oreo one just for reference. Yeah. And then I'm going to use the Butterkiss butter cookie. Call it parrot biscuit because for obvious reasons, parrot. Then I'm going to use the National Peanut Bits cookie. And then this Devon vanilla cream cookie and the bourbon cream. Yeah, by Devon one Trinidad brand, no? I think so. Let me look. Product of Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, I was right. So, and milk. I have 1% low fat milk and I have the soy milk. I'm gonna try it with this soy milk and the 1% milk. Yeah, to see which one comes out best. Look how me go waste my money. Yo, you know how much money I'm spending last night? Me go waste my money right now for a YouTube video? Yes, I am. So, see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to crush the cookies. I'm gonna do that just now. You know, I should have got a plastic bag to crush these in. You know something I think? Alright, let's start again. Alright, I got the bag. I'm going to now crush them. Alright, so I don't have like a rolling pin or, you know, nothing to crush them, so I use a pot. Alright, so I crush this and then get back to it. Alright, so I took it out of the bag and I'm using my mashed potato crusher to crush it. This is what I have so far. Don't slam, please, thank you. Guys, I am getting mad. I'm in my kitchen, crushing cookies and talking to my door. Alright, so I think this is it. I think this is the consistency that we're looking for, okay? I mean, from I discovered that word, I've been using it like all the time. So guys, I'm going to now transfer it to the cup. Look at that, beautiful. Yes, I made a mess. I'm using the 1% low fat milk, and you know, so for the next couple days I'm going to be living in the throne, on the throne. Yeah. Alright, so let me try to pour little tubs. Alright, don't put too much milk. If you put too much milk, then it'll be too watery, and then you have to put more cookies. Like what I have done, I've put too much milk in the butter. Luckily, I have one more Oreo cookie pack, so I'm gonna add two more Oreos in there to kind of tick me up. Alright, so guys, this is what it is looking like. Okay, that was my door. It's kind of like almost like a cake batter consistency. It's kind of a little too runny for me. I'm gonna add a little more cookies to it. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to add it to the microwave. I was about to say in the oven, but no. I want to put it to the microwave and let it bake for 2 minutes. Would you look at that? Oh guys, I added 1 more minute because you know my microwave is kind of different, so I added 1 more minute. So this is actually 3 minutes, but if 2 minutes work for you, then you don't need to put it back. The next one I'm going to use is this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the oven. The microwave. This is a peanut white cookie. I mean, it doesn't look all that. It does not look so appealing, but the taste is in the pudding. I use the soy milk with this one, so taste test time. Oh guys, I did a third one. I decided not to use the other cookies, the Trinidad one. Can you guess what this is? This is a surprise. This is a mixture. Oh, this is the one that I use the soy milk in. The other two have the regular cow milk. This is these. So this one and the other 3 Oreos that I had left, I crushed them together and I added peanuts. Time for tasting. This looks so much nicer. Alright guys, see, that was very quick and easy and simple and to the point. No hard labor, you know, very easy. So I'm gonna have my little snacky snack now. Oh, I can't reach it. Try the Oreo one first. Look at that. It's just like cake. Mmm. It's smooth. It's really just like cake. I'm sure. So guys, it is just like cake. Look at that. You see that? I'm gonna try to focus it a little. Yes, that is just like cake. You can add frosting and, you know, the little toppings or whatever you want to add. So it's not funny, you know. Excuse me, it's not as sweet as I thought it would have been, but it's really good. So this is the peanut. Try to get tough already. Oh my gosh, it's so hard with one flaming with one hand. Hold on a second. Alright, so that is what the peanut one is looking like. Alright, it has the same consistency as cake as well, but I don't too love it. But it can still go on, because I'm money by it, I'm gonna eat it. That is what it is looking like. You see that? We'll zoom in a little. Look at that. That's pretty. Same consistency as cake. It's not my favorite. The favorite one is the Oreo one. I guess I'm being biased because Oreo is my favorite cookie, but I kind of love the Oreo one better. Yeah man, in a bad, trust me, no bad at all. So guys, that's it today for another budget cooking, and I really like this one. It was very easy, even though the ingredients were expensive, but it is still cake on a budget, but still more expensive than making your own cake. No wait, I lie myself. So yeah, excuse me. Thanks again for watching me. As usual, I love you guys, because as I said, you could have been doing anything else with your time, but you choose to spend it with me, and I really appreciate that so much. So guys, I am almost at 100 subscribers. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my gosh, I'm at 90 something now, almost to 100. Anyways, thank you so much again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your friends, your family, tell your friends, everybody. Tell them to come on the train. I have more content for you guys. Like, I have so many things planned, and so many things I want to do, and so many story times that I want to do. But I'm just wait for the right time, yeah? I probably should drop one of those story times on Friday. Should I? Comment down below if you want a story time on Friday. Anyways, thank you again. How much time am I gonna set times?